In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Mailchimp to Google Analytics in a few easy steps. This is a full tutorial for 2025 and will make sure everything is set up just right so you can track your campaigns effectively. First, let's begin by setting up Google Analytics. Head over to the Google Analytics website. Make sure you log in using your Google account credentials. Once inside, if you haven't done so yet, you'll need to create a property. This can be done by going to the admin section and selecting Create Property. Follow the on-screen prompts to guide you through the setup. Now that you have a property, the next thing you need is your tracking ID. To find this, navigate again to admin, then go to data streams and select web. Choose your website's data stream and you'll see your measurement ID, which should start with G. This ID is vital for tracking your Mailchimp campaigns later. Next, let's switch gears to setting up Mailchimp. Log into your Mailchimp account. Once you're logged in, direct yourself to the profile icon at the top of the page where you'll select integrations. In that section, search for Google Analytics and click on it to proceed. There you'll see an option to connect. Click on connect and follow the prompts to authorize your Google account. This step bridges Mailchimp and Google Analytics, setting the stage for efficient data tracking. We're on to a crucial part now, enabling Google Analytics for your Mailchimp campaigns. Go to Campaigns and select Create Campaign, then choose Email. Set up your email campaign as you normally would. It's during this setup that you need to pay close attention to the Settings and Tracking section. Here you will enable Google Analytics link tracking. Don't forget to provide a campaign name. This label is key to easily identify your Mailchimp campaign data when you check Google Analytics. All your hard work leads us to finally viewing your data in Google Analytics. Return to Google Analytics and navigate to the Report section. Click on Acquisition and then go to Campaigns. This will allow you to see how your Mailchimp campaigns are performing in detail. From how many clicks you're getting to how users are engaging with your content, this insight is invaluable. And there you have it. You've successfully connected Mailchimp to Google Analytics. With these steps, you'll be able to monitor and fine-tune your email strategies based on real user data, making way for informed decisions and spectacular campaign performance. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more insightful tutorials.